Hey guys, I'm Jenny with Sound Givers, and I'm so excited and grateful for this initiative. It has been such a blessing to receive all of these amazing donations and to share the healing power of sound with those in need, with our unsheltered neighbors here in San Diego. We would love for you to contribute or be a part of this in any way. So if you are interested in joining forces with us, please email me at info@zensoulbalance.com. That's info@zensoulbalance.com. Thank you.